Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can disable Wi-Fi calling in OnePlus phone. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Onwards, enter the mobile network category, then open the SIM cards page that you would like to turn off or disable the Wi-Fi calling option for. You can disable it for both. You will just need to do all the steps that I'm going to show you now individually for each SIM card you have inserted. So once at the SIM info and settings page, enter the Wi-Fi calling section and simply turn off the switch. As I've already mentioned, you can also do that for another SIM card you have inserted as well. And well, that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.